Hello everyone, welcome to this part of the video where we're going to talk about the fourth scenario which we can use to describe a past event. Okay, describe something that was happening at some point of time. It is also known as past continuous form. So how will you use it? You will use an auxiliary verb and you will use an ing form of the verb. Now, what are the auxiliary verbs to be used? Here, you cannot use has, have, had, and all those things. You can use only two things here: was or were. Please don't pronounce it as where. Where is W-H-E-R-E. W-E-R-E is pronounced as war. Okay, okay, war. Yeah. And W-A-R is war. Okay. So war. Okay. So how will you use it? So for example, Jimti, apno something is happening right now, present continuous. What were you using? You were using this is happening. Similarly, if something was happening, then what will you use? You will use was happening. So example, I was walking towards you. ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ ଚାଲି ଚାଲି ଯାଉଥିଲି. In continuous form in the past tense. ମୁଁ ଯାଉଥିଲି. Continuity in past tense. So was walking, as you can see, auxiliary verb plus ing form. Bike was traveling fast. ଗାଡ଼ିଟା ଜୋରେ ଯାଉଥିଲା. Shivani was sleeping when I called her. ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଶିବାନୀ କୁ କଲ୍ କଲି ସିଏ ଶୋଇଥିଲା. Was sleeping. ଶୋଇ ପଡ଼ିଥିଲା, had slept. ଶୋଇଥିଲା was sleeping. I hope you are clear. He was having food when I saw him. Was having. Are you getting the point? The injury, not injury, sorry, that's wrong pronunciation. The injury was giving me a lot of pain yesterday. The injury was giving me lot of pain yesterday. Kali bahut dard houtula, byatha houtula. Was giving. Got the point? Acha. Similarly, war is used in front of we, they, and people and name, right? So we were talking together. They were walking together. Vinci, Raj and I, were driving to Goa that day. Now here I will give you another special tip. Whenever you are describing about more than one person, which includes you. For example, I will say Rimita. For example, there are two people in my sentence. Me and Rimita. Okay, so what will I say? I will never start the sentence with I. Remember this, English is a very polite language. So you have to place yourself after the other person or the other person. So you will never say I and Rimita were playing together. Wrong English. Impolite English. You have to say what? First about the other person, and then so you have to say Rimita and I, were playing together yesterday. Always use the word I, or the letter I, at the end, especially when you're talking about a couple of people, which includes you. Okay, I hope that was a cool hack for you. If it was a cool hack, just type cool hack below the video. Pause this video and type down cool hack. Fantastic. Welcome back. Now, so I hope you're clear, right? Vinci, Raj, and I, were driving to Goa that day. Okay. So sometimes we can use were after I, but it must be supported with the punctuation comma. Remember this. Another cool hack. Many people make this mistake. Okay. So go ahead. I challenge you to type these kind of complicated sentence where multiple people are involved and you're using were and ing form of the of the verb. So go ahead and do that. Okay, 20 sentences from was and 20 sentences from were. And this is to, again, this is to explain what? This is to explain something which was continuously happening in the past at a particular time. So go ahead, do that, and then we will move on to the last segment of past tense. See you in the next chapter.